Stop. Before you pay your next electricity bill, listen to this. Your refrigerator may be secretly wasting electricity every single day. And the worst part is, most people don't even know about this one setting. Today I'll show you exactly which fridge setting is increasing your power bill, how to fix it in under 30 seconds, and how much money you can save every year. Let's start. Your fridge is the only appliance in your home that runs 24 hours a day and night. Summer and winter, no breaks. In Europe, the refrigerator alone can use up to 15 to 20% of your total household electricity. But the real problem is not the fridge itself. The real problem is the wrong temperature setting. Most people think colder is better. So they set their fridge temperature to the coldest level. This is the biggest mistake. When your fridge is set to cold, compressor runs longer, motor works harder, power consumption increases, components wear out faster, ice builds up inside, and your electricity bill goes up. Is the ideal setting recommended by technicians and energy experts. Fridge section, 3 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything colder than this is unnecessary. Food stays fresh, bacteria growth stays controlled, and energy usage stays low. Most modern fridges have digital displays. Just press the temperature button and check. If fridge is set below 2 degrees Celsius, raise it. Freezer is set below -20 degrees Celsius, increase it. For manual dial fridges, set the knob in the middle position, not maximum. Middle setting gives balanced cooling and low power usage. Many people forget this feature is on. Super cool or fast freeze mode is designed only for short-term use. For example, after grocery shopping, after loading warm food, during party preparation, if you leave it on permanently, the compressor runs non-stop. Electricity usage can double. Always turn it off after 2 to 4 hours. Modern refrigerators include Eco Mode, Energy Saving Mode, Door Open Alarm. Eco Mode automatically reduces compressor workload and saves power. If your fridge supports Eco Mode, turn IT on. Door alarms prevent cooling loss when doors are left open. Small features, big savings. Here's something technicians always check. The condenser coils at the back or bottom of your fridge. When dust builds up, heat cannot escape properly. Compressor works harder. Energy usage increases. Clean condenser coils every 6 months. Use a soft brush or vacuum. This alone can reduce power consumption by up to 10%. Never place your refrigerator directly against the wall, near ovens or heaters in direct sunlight. Leave at least 5 to 10 centimeters space behind the fridge. Good airflow means better cooling efficiency and lower electricity usage. Let's be realistic. By fixing just these settings, correct temperature, turning off fast cooling, using Eco Mode, cleaning coils, you can save 50 to 120 euros per year, depending on usage and electricity rates. Over 5 years, that's hundreds of euros. Many people overload shelves completely. This blocks cold air circulation, result uneven cooling, longer compressor cycles, more power usage. Leave space between items. Airflow saves energy. Before you finish watching, do this. Set fridge to a -5 degrees Celsius, set freezer to -18 degrees Celsius. Turn OFF super cooling, enable Eco Mode, clean condenser, improve ventilation space. Simple actions, big savings. If this video helped you save money, hit the like button. Subscribe for more appliance repair tips, electricity saving hacks, and smart home advice. Comment below, what brand fridge are you using? Bosch, LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, or Hisense? I reply to most comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.